always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch.
Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever the time is, hello and welcome back. And welcome back to what shockingly is even surprising me, welcome back to a cleaning video. This is where my channel really grew and took off all of those years ago when I started doing cleaning content, and I am so excited to be sharing with you today a huge unpack, clean and organise with me. I have some huge updates to give you, some huge life updates and some things to talk with you about. So today I'm going to be giving you all of the cleaning motivation you need on this bank holiday weekend to get your house spick and span, just like the good old days. I have got some amazing music and I'm going to be doing a life update in this as well, chatting with you, giving you all a bit of an update because I love these types of videos and I know you guys love having the updates from me as well. So to start off with, first life update number one, we have moved. I'm going to talk a little bit more about this in a second, but I'm going to start by clearing away all of the workspaces in the kitchen so I can go ahead and get cleaning.
But I'm just different, something else. No little by little here, 'cause I get my no little by little. I pour out my heart. No little by little here. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people.
So where do I begin? I am back sharing cleaning content on YouTube. This is something that I completely fell out of love with over the last few years, and I couldn't really figure out why or what it was. I knew that I wanted to provide purpose for people, and I always started this channel with the thought of wanting to help and inspire and motivate people. What I actually come to realise is that your space is huge. And I've always said this. I've always said how important it is for me to have a clean space, a tidy space, how much it helps my mind. I know so many of you guys have said to me just how much my cleaning videos in the past have helped you. And I think the last home that we lived in was so uninspiring, very small, very cramped, very cluttered, very dark, very dingy. It was a really, I don't even know what the word is, like a mentally draining home to live in. And I really didn't like it. I had actually filmed a cleaning video there at one point, wanting to share it with you, and the process of cleaning the video and doing the cleaning content I love to do. But when it came to the edit, I think I shared with you guys in an I'm Back video, which I'll link here and give a bit more information about. When it came to the edit, I just deleted all of the footage and I never shared it. And that is because I was just so uninspired by that home. And if it didn't motivate me and if it didn't inspire me, how the hell was it meant to do that for you? So I guess that's really one of the big reasons why I haven't really shared cleaning content. I don't really feel like I felt like I had a home the past year or so. And yeah, in amongst having a third baby who is called Hudson, a third little boy, things have been manic. I've been quiet over on YouTube this past month because I turned 30, which seems insane to say, and it still doesn't seem real when I say it either. But I turned 30, we went away to Venice, which is somewhere I've always wanted to go, and I've been so busy celebrating that. But in amongst all of that, we were also moving, and it has been so chaotic. We have been really, really busy, but I am so excited now to share this content with you. I feel like I've had like a spark relit inside me, and a passion that I've always loved has been relit. And it just seems so crazy to say that because I never thought this type of content would be the type of content that I would want to share with you again. but it just goes to show that the type of home that you're in and your space around you can really, really affect how you feel. And so I'm so excited. I'm going to be sharing so much of more content when it comes to organisation, decorating, decluttering, alongside lots more money content as well. I've recently shared an amazing Amazon saving hacks video on how you can shop and save really smartly and save a lot of money with Amazon, so I'll link that here as well. So I'm still going to be doing all of that, plus all of my original content that I used to do when I started on YouTube 8 years ago. So lots of spring and summer cleaning videos, lots of decluttering, decorating videos. I am so excited to share all that type of content with you. So if there is anything that's top of your list in terms of any type of content that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know if you're enjoying this type of content and having me back doing this. I hope that you're going to be inspired and motivated to clean alongside me. And yeah, I am super busy trying to get this kitchen organised and packed away. We have so much to do with 3 kids and then being poorly. It's taken a while, but I'm very busy trying to find spaces and homes for everything and get our house in some sort of order for the kids. But I am just loving this space.
Are we gonna do this or not? I really need to know if you're in or out. You don't have to say the words, just look in my eyes. Tell me, friend, oh, can't you see what you mean to me? It's obvious we are that perfect match, ain't no catch. You and I will make it last. Place your bet on me and everything will be alright. Take a chance, ain't no risk. You and I won't hit or miss. Give yourself to me and we'll be more than friends for life.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say.
And now that this end of the kitchen is clean and tidy, I'm lighting a candle. I'm getting the kitchen smelling absolutely amazing, as I've always loved to do. Candles are like the thing that I love to light once I've finished cleaning a room and cleaning areas. It just kind of helps let a really, really lovely scent around the home. And this neon candle is insane. It's one of the bedtime hero ones, and I've actually had it since the Christmas before last, and I've never actually lit it until we moved into this house a couple of days ago, and I have already burned through so much of it. It is super strong. It makes the house smell absolutely amazing, and I'm absolutely in love. So now I'm going to move on to the other end of the house, and with moving being on the cards, our washing fell behind so badly, and we've just had so much to do. We're yet to get out our airer outside in the garden, although that will definitely be going up soon, because there is nothing better than the smell of washing that is fresh and hanging out on a line. Look at all this washing I took off of the airer, and I haven't even showed you upstairs yet, but if you could see the amount of washing that was up there, I think you'd cry for me. That pile is huge. And then once I've tidied away all the airer, I have so much stuff that kind of made its way into the house that needs to find a home. All of this stuff up at this end of the house needs to be put away. This room is nowhere near finished as of yet. There is still so much to be doing. These Kallax units will actually be going up into the boys' room, but for the time being, we're yet to sort out and figure out their rooms completely. I need to buy Belgian furniture and things like that. We actually had to downsize a lot in our last home. We were renting and we had to find a new home at short notice. in the last property because our landlord was selling, and not a lot of places when you're renting like you to have pets, so our options were very, very limited. And so our last home was very small and the boys had bunk beds and there just wasn't a lot of space for anything. So I'm so excited for them to finally have a bit of space to play in and to be able to enjoy being in their homes again, and for me to enjoy being here. Working from home, it has a massive impact on you. So I'm so excited to get this space all sorted today. And there will be a part 2 coming as well of the downstairs area. I have our lounge and our hallway. Oh my God, the state of the hallway. I will give you a little preview at the end of this video. But it was bad. And I can't even tell you either how many spiders crawled out of all this stuff. A lot of this stuff here was shoes and coats and things like that. And we're yet to have any rails put up in our cupboards. So we don't really have any shoe racks as of yet or anything like that. Oh my God, the amount of spiders that came out, I could have cried. I really could have cried.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? You make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you go like that.
Honestly, just looking at this and seeing how much clearer it all is massively is helping my mind already. I love looking back at it. And I actually have a question to ask you all. So at the end of this video that I was filming on this particular day, when I moved on to the living room, my vacuum, the shark one you see here, started making a really, really, really funny noise. It was awful. It started making a funny noise, then it started smoking on me, and it's completely died on me. It's gone. And our other cordless hoover, our other shark, literally died a couple of weeks ago too. Buttons were falling off. I mean, they were 5 years old. I got them both back in 2017, so they've lasted me a very long time, but they're both kaput. So I need your recommendations for the best vacuums out there at the moment. Ideally a cordless vacuum, but I don't mind having one of each. Storage, obviously I don't really want to store two, but if I need to have two, that's fine. I love having a corded one for really, really good suction, unless you can recommend one that might have really good suction as a cordless one as well. But I love being able to like pull up the pile on a carpet as well. Yeah, they all died on me, so I need a new hoover. Give me all of your recommendations, please.
Shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could,
And whilst recording this video and this voiceover, I think I've realised that actually my health issues, both physical and mental, I think require an actual whole separate video just to go into more information, more explanation, and to help more people. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to summarise that basically my mental health, my health anxiety, generalised anxiety due to other health problems and pregnancy and complications has taken a massive hit over the past year and a half, 2 years. I've had really severe stomach pains along with other things going on that are being looked into by specialists. But I'm going to go into all of this in another video. So if any of this sounds like it could help you, then do keep an eye out for that. But I think I'm going to wrap this video up here. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video, which will be coming out this time next week. I'm so excited for that, alongside some money content videos that I'm going to be sprinkling in between, as I love sharing that type of content with you as well. My focus for this channel is really to help you declutter your home, organise your finances, and focus your mind for a better life. And I really, really hope that all of this type of content will be stuff that you're interested in and will really, really help you. I'm going to share with you a little bit of a preview of what the next part of this looks like, because oh my gosh, it is bad, but look how good this all looks. I'm so happy with how clean and tidy and organised it is. I also have so many DIY videos coming up. Our dining table is no more. We have gotten rid of our dining table. We made this dining table a few years ago now and I absolutely loved it. But I'm thinking of something different for this space. So if you want to see more DIY videos and stuff like that, then do stay tuned, because our new table is here and I absolutely love it, but it needs a bit of a DIY along with so many other bits and decorating and making this house a home. If you have loved this video, then please do stick around, subscribe, like if you've enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you all again in another video very soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.